Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 14 of Treasure Trovember, and if you are new here, I encourage you to go back and watch the welcome video day 1. This is a really easy challenge to catch up on. It is about adding one thing a day for 30 days here in November. I'm Kelly. I'm the founder of Collage-Lab. This is the 5th year that we have done Treasure Trovember, and if you would register, you will get a free download with tips and tricks from prior year's participants. Make it a little easier on you. Anyhow, so today's day 14. The prompt today is to add something very small. Add something very small to your collage today.